Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a composer from Hungary. In this video I'll show you some epic drum patterns in different time signatures that you can use as a composer. I'm not sure how to describe these patterns in words, so instead of talking, I'll play the drums individually and together. For the library, I used Laboratory Audio Strikeforce for this demonstration, and I included the following drums. These include a bass drum, two low mid drums, two mid drums, a stick, and a hi-hat like instrument. They complement each other well across the frequency spectrum. If you don't know how to mix professional sounding drums, check out my video lesson on this topic. I used the same drums in this project as I did in that one. My most important advice is to adjust the velocity to emphasize the right beats. For example, in 4/4 time, add more velocity to the first beat or to the first and the third beats. Adding humanization could improve the sound, but I've consciously left it out here to clarify the rhythmic patterns. If you found this video lesson interesting and helpful, you can support me by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, subscribing, or even buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching.